Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NBRV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very nice recovery today. Sure, it did pull back a little bit from the highs this morning, but I mean, you got to keep in mind some context here. And going into today, after Thursday, there was a lot of downside pressure. I mean, Thursday, the price got all the way up there, and then it pulled back and pulled back and pulled back. So at that point, it was a very legitimate question of, is this thing going to just keep on collapsing? And no, it absolutely didn't collapse. Not only did it not collapse, it actually built and put in a higher base, which is where this first key level of support now comes into play going into next week. And that level is right here at, we'll call it the 88-cent mark. So 88 cents is what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely if the price can stay up there above 88. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all of this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what has been represented. Again, yeah, staying above 88 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, initial level to keep an eye on, going to be right up there at that 97-cent mark, and then if 97 can be broken, there we go. After 97, next key level, not that far off, right around that $2 mark. But all in all, nice recovery, especially after today's downwards momentum, but we'll see what this one can bring next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.